In this video, we will learn how to delete Facebook account, so let's pick. So it is really simple to delete your Facebook account. The process is same for how to delete Facebook account iPhone and Android. You don't need to worry if you're on Android. Go and open your Facebook app, so here we go. So once Facebook app is open, you need to simply go and tap on these three lines at the right bottom corner. In case of Android, this might be at the right top. In the menu that appears, scroll down and select Settings Privacy. From the drop-down, tap on Settings. Now, you'll be on the Settings page. Look for Account Center and select it. In Account Center, you'll see the option for Personal Details. Tap on it to proceed. Tap on Ownership and Control. You would be able to see deactivation and deletion. Temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your account. Tap on this. Now there are two options. Either you can deactivate your account, and you can read login to activate your account. Or in the second case, you want to permanently delete your account. So in this case, I would be going for deleting my account. 30 days to re-sign into your account. And once you resign into your account, you would have an option to activate your account again, so after 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted from Facebook. So hope it has helped you in deleting or deactivating your Facebook account on Android as well as an iPhone. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.